Hey guys, so iOS 17 and Developer Beta 3 has been out now for a couple of days, and as per usual, I like to come back and share with you guys any additional new features and changes that I may come across after using the software. I also like to talk about the battery, the performance, when we can expect the next beta. Public beta is right around the corner, so let's go ahead and dive right into this one. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, of course, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is weather. Inside of the weather application, if we click here to the maps, we have an additional map available here for wind. So aside from precipitation, temperature, air quality, we now have a wind map available for the weather application on your iPhone. I really like the weather application in iOS. I hope Apple continues to build upon the experience. And yeah, with iOS 17 Beta 3, Apple has added an additional wind map for the weather application. Now, when it comes to Siri, we also got two additional British voices, a male and a female. So if we go into Siri settings here and we head on over into Siri voices, we click on British, we now have a total of four. So we have the first, second, third, and fourth. So we have now four British voices available. Before it was only two. Now we have additional male and female voices for a total of four voices for Siri under British voices. Now there's also some changes for the home application. So if you have a smart bulb or lights that support multiple colors in different tones, you now have a pre-selected color picker available, and this is what that menu looks like. Again, if you have any bulbs that support these multiple shades of color, you now have this pre-selected option for colors that you can choose from when you go to adjust those colors in the home application for your smart bulbs or lights. Now, I want to talk about the performance, the battery, and everything else in between. Now, I have bad news. Unfortunately, yes, iOS 17 Developer Beta 3 is worse than Beta 2 when it comes to performance, when it comes to bugs, when it comes to battery. Unfortunately, everything is going down backwards instead of forward with Beta 3. I've experienced more bugs within the software, crashing of applications, crashing of the OS itself. I've experienced terrible battery life, worse than Beta 2, unfortunately. And I know a lot of you guys don't want to hear this type of news, but it is the truth. There's a lot of issues with the keyboard. There's a lot of issues with the camera. The software continues to crash. The battery is horrible in Beta 3. It went right back to what it was with the first beta for iOS 17, nearly that bad. So yeah, unfortunately, a bad user experience in terms of performance, battery in Beta 3 for iOS 17. I just wanted to make you guys aware of that. Now, public beta is right around the corner. It should be available within the next couple of days. I will have a follow-up video for you guys explaining if you should update to iOS 17, the public beta, once that's available and I test it out. So make sure to stay tuned. Thank you for watching. This is my follow-up on iOS 17 Developer Beta 3. Sorry for the bad news, but there you guys have it. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.